Welcome, today in front of me VIVO X80 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first just open the box, and this is the place for our smartphone here. Let's just open this first box and let's see what's here inside. Okay, I think we should open it here. Okay, so here we can find the SIM eject tool and some paperwork like the warranty card, this quick start guide and the safety guides. So, and also we have here the Fuchs liter case with this thick plastic inserts for the top and the bottom of our device. Okay, let's just place it here. Also I have here, okay, just no more here in this box. Let's open the second one. And inside of this box we can find the original charger brick, the VIVO charger brick with all of the specs here. And on this side here we have the USB cable. This is the USB Type-C cable, and in-ear headphones with the interchangeable earbuds. So let's check it. Yeah, so you have here also them here, so you can change them, for example, if you'll miss them somewhere. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.